Well, now it's not every day that that thing comes out. Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Buddy Mike has a friend who took down a... God, what the hell was it? It wasn't an ash. And it wasn't a locust. I don't know, I just drew a blank. Anyway, widest point is 41 inches. And anyway, the friend wants to do some woodwork with it, some slab, coffee table, maybe bar stool type stuff. So anyway, I've got this all fitted up. That's a 43-inch bar, which is the biggest that a 750 would have been equipped with, and that is a full complement 404 full chisel chain. The rakers have been lowered to the hardwood setting, and I am sitting here watching a cat pee in my garden. God, I love living in a neighborhood. Good Lord. Anyway, it's all ready to rock and roll. He didn't get back to us in time to do it this weekend, but if the weather holds off, I might just take this bad boy to work with me sometime next week and do a few rounds on a tree that we took down last year. But for now, let's do a test run. I ran it on the bench the other night, so I don't think it'll be too hard to start. But I want to get a little oil on that chain. Alright, that is good enough for me. I know she's going to run, and now I can do that final adjustment on the chain. So, I'm looking forward to getting some video of doing some slapping.